Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this electric wine aerator and dispenser. We're gonna give this thing a try here. Last time I tried it on some wine, I uploaded a video with wine and it didn't like it. So we're gonna give this a try with water to show you guys how it works though, just so you can see how it works. So let's see, here's all the instructions and everything right here. In Chinese, and there it is in English. I'm gonna guess it's pretty straightforward. So we have our aeration device here and the little one there. I'm gonna guess it's gonna, yep, and here is the hose. So it's slightly different. So here we go. So we have the hose that's gonna connect up into there. So that's what will go sticking down into your bottle. And for me, it's going to stick down into my water bottle. Nice, fresh, cool water bottle. Okay, well, let's see, how am I going to do this? I guess I'm going to have to, let me get rid of some of the water. Okay, so this is what it would look like here. And then you push your button, and there it is, dispensing the water and aerating it as it goes. Oops, I'm just throwing away my water. There we go, put it into the cup. So that's how it works there. So you see, we are dispensing water. And it should be aerating as it goes because it's going through the air. And then you push the button to stop it. How cool is that? So it just makes it nice and easy. And you can push to start and push to stop when you are done. And it looks like when I picked it up out of there, it pretty much emptied it out. It drained back in there. So that's kind of cool. And it comes rechargeable with a USB-C plug. Let's see, where will that, right in the back there. So that's kind of cool. So it pretty much has everything you need there. And then when you put it on your bottle, it's got the little rubber thing there. So it's almost like a cork. It'll kind of keep the air in the bottle so it's not going to just come all out on you. Like I had it in here, it wasn't really, I don't think it was a great seal in there, but it would seal better onto your bottle. So you can just keep that. You could even just keep it in your fridge if you have some white wine. Push the button, start it, stop it, fill up your glass, and keep it in the fridge. How cool is that? Really nice little device here. But I like it. So let me see. It was Electronic Wine Aerator and Dispenser by Kufung. So totally cool. Thumbs up.